Hello guys, in this tutorial we discuss about the this keyword. So there can be lot of uses of Java this keyword. In Java this is a reference variable that refer to current object. So what is the meaning of reference? Reference means it give the reference of particular variable. That the reason it will be used in a particular case. So that cases we will see in this tutorial. So this to refer current class instance variable, it is particularly used to refer the current class instance variable. So first we will discuss here the problem without using this keyword so that you will see the importance of this keyword. For example, if you are taking the class student, it is having two instance variable roll number and name. So these are the class variable roll number name. Now after that we are taking the constructor having some parameters like roll number and name. So you observe here instance variable and this parameter of the constructors are same. And suppose you initialize with, so these variable will be initialized this local variable. And then after that if you create the object in main method and execute the display method. Okay. So here we assume in the display method you are just showing the value of roll number and name. Suppose if you create the object, then what happen? These three value will be passed here, roll number 3 and the particular string value 3 times k. Then after that these two variable will get the value from there. And suppose here you write this method by using, you are calling this method like display, and in display method here we assume we are showing some value. So what happen in the output? You will not get these two value, you will get the default value 0 and null. Why? Because these two variable, these two like instance variable and these local variable names are same. So compiler get the confusion and you get the default value. So for solving this problem, simple thing in the program, you have to use this keyword like that, this dot roll number, this dot name, and then finally, if you write such kind of code later on, if you create the object of constructor for passing the value and then you call the display method for showing value, then you get the desired values. So in above example, the parameter and instance variables are same. Then for showing the distinguish or differentiation, you have to use this keyword in the program. So because of that you get the output, you will not get the default value. So I hope you understood now importance of this. So in this way you can use the this keyword in the program. If local and instance variables are different, okay, then there is no need of this keyword. For example, you have the class and you have the instance variable, then you have the local variable in the constructor. Here you observe these variables are different and these variables are different. So in that case no need of this keyword. If you want you can use, but there is no need, and whatever the output that you deserve, that you will get in the program. So to invoke, next use of this is to invoke the current class method. So what is the meaning of current class? We will see through this example. So first we read this point, it invoke the method of current class by using the this keyword. So here friend, if you take one class which is having the method for showing the hello m message, and if you take one more method and inside it we are calling the method m. So you observe this method is present in the class. Okay, here in this class, same class, we are using called and calling method. So here you have to use this keyword. If you don't use, then compiler will automatically put. So here I have written in comment yum is same as this yum, because compiler will automatically put that. And in main method, if you create the object and then you can access n method. So in n method it will show, if you run the n method it will show the output from n method, that is hello n. So your output will be like that. Then after hello n we are calling the method m. So it is same as this dot m. So we use the this keyword when we are using that calling method inside the same class, and then you get the output from m method, that is hello m. So this is so till now we have seen some uses of the this keyword. So now it's a time to see the program. So now we go on the Eclipse and we will practically do the use of this keyword. So here I am in Eclipse, friend, adding one more class here. So this is my class, and here I am taking two variable like a comma b, and here I am taking the constructor, taking again the same variable. So these are my variable, and now in the constructor I am writing statement a equals to a and b equals to b. So here we will take one more method, that is public void sum. Then in this method we are taking one output statement and showing a plus b task, that is the addition. You can put any logic there whichever you want. Then finally here in main method I need to call constructor. Okay, so this is my main method. So our class is a. So object I am taking a1 because a variable I already use. So here this is my constructor, and in this program, friend, we use the parameterized constructor int a and b. So you should pass the two values there. And finally you have to use a1 dot sum. So now our code is very simple. These two value will be passed, and here we have the same set of variables. So we check the output. Here we are getting the output 0. Okay, we are getting the default value because we didn't use the this keyword. Now it's a time to use this keyword, this dot a and this dot p. Now I run the program. You observe the change. Here the value 6 is coming. Okay, why? Because we simply use this keyword, and now because of that there is a differentiation between this instance variable and the local variable. And suppose if you use different variable, means suppose here you write a1, here you write b1. So what you should do, here also you write a1, here also you should write b1. Now here in that case there is a no need of this keyword because both variables are different. Here ab we are using, here a1 b1. So now in the remaining code will be same only. We check the output now. Output is coming 6. Okay, if you want you can use this also. Suppose if you want this, no matter. Now again we run the program. So here you observe again the same output is coming. Okay, so in which case you will use this keyword? If suppose the both variable like the class variable and this variable will be same, then in that case you have to use this keyword. This is the important point. So I hope, friend, you understood the concept of this keyword, and thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.